bad. Let's try that again. What are you doing today?
Skydiving.
You're going skydiving, huh? First time, huh?
Yes.
Got anything you want to say to anybody in TV land? I love you, Mom. I love you, Dad. Anything like that?
No.
No. Okay. All right. Well, big smile, big thumbs up. We'll head over to the plane and go have some fun. All right, Dad. Here we go. Let's walk to the airplane, man. This is when things start to get really real. Looks like our pilot sobered up, though, so that's good. Yeah, that's always fun. We'll be in the back of the bus today, I think. Yeah, we'll be last out when we go. Look for the airplane. All right, man. We're officially in the air. What do you think? You have fun yet?
Oh yeah.
That's the serious part right there. Bye-bye. Right about now, so we're going to start looking for a parachute. What do you think? That's what we're going to welcome to Sky, dude. Big high five. Well, thanks for coming to Skydive Indianapolis, man. You did good. I think those goggles from you.